guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Inday ng Hong Kong, and today we're going to cook the buttered garlic shrimp or prawn. And we have here 6 pieces of prawn, the big one, minced garlic, we have here the spring onion for garnish, and salted butter, olive oil, the sliced red chili for garnishing as well, and of course the black pepper, the salt, because I'm using here the unsalted one. But if you use the salted butter, please take out the salt. And of course we are going to wash first the prawn. And this is my way on how I clean my prawn. First, I have to take out all the legs. Yan, ginugupit ko po yan. Mas maganda kasi siya guys, kasi mas madali siyang balatan pag yung kakainin mo na. And of course, yung something na matigas dun sa kanyang ulo, ginugupit ko rin yan. Ang kanyang bigote, yan. At ang kanyang mga mata. Sorry guys, pero I don't like na makita ko yung mata ng hipon sa niluluto ko. But it's all up to you. Kung gusto niyo yung way na yan, go for it in your way. And then, yung kanyang buntot. Kasi yung buntot ng hipon is may 3 piraso yan, di ba? So, I usually take off the 2 pieces. I-remain ko lang yung sa gitna. So, ganun po siya, di ba? Malinis na siya. Yan, ganyan siya. And of course, you have to do it the same way to the other one. And then the next step is how to devein the shrimp or prawn. First, you need a toothpick. Yan, kailangan po natin ng toothpick para po tanggalin yung kanyang bituka. It's a must. It's a must na tanggalin po ang bituka guys, kasi marumi po yan. Nandun po lahat ng dumi ng hipon katulad niyan. Tutusukin mo lang siya doon sa may pinakadulo ng ulo niya. And then, ingatan nyo lang na hindi maputol. Now, in case na maputol, you have to double check it. Tutusukin nyo doon sa likod niya, sa ibang part ng likod niya, yung sa tingin nyo kung saan naputol. Yan, ganun po siya. Ayan, sabi ko sa pinakalikod ng ulo niya, yan. Susundutin nyo lang siya. Madali lang guys. Hanggang sa matapos kung ilang piraso yung kanyang. Then now, after the cleaning, we are going to cook. First, we are going to melt our butter into the skillet. Then add the olive oil. Pagsamahin nyo lang siya guys hanggang matunaw yung butter. The next step, we are going to fry our minced garlic. Mind you, your flame or your fire should be on medium heat only para po hindi masunog ang ating bawang kasi napakadali pong masunog ng bawang natin. And of course, yeah, kailangan po nasa low heat or medium heat at least. And then you have to fry it until golden brown or lumabas po yung kanyang aroma, natural aroma ng ating bawang. Huwag niyo susunugin, guys. Basta mag-golden brown lang siya. And then we're going to add our prawn. Galaw-galawin niyo yung inyong hipon para po hindi siya masunog. By the way, madali lang naman maluto ang hipon, guys. So, all you have to do is flip it off over. Yeah. Babalik-tarin nyo, babalik-baliktarin nyo, at malalaman nyo naman yan kung luto na yung inyong hipon, kung ito ay parang medyo kumulot na siya o yumuko na siya. Yung parang bumilog na siya. Yun po ang palatandaan na luto na ang ating hipon. Kasi madali lang mag-golden brown yung shell ng hipon. So, yun po ang palatandaan, yung bumilog na siya o yumuko na yung katawan niya. And then we are going to add our salt. At tulad na sinabi ko, kung salted butter yung ginamit nyo, eliminate this salt in your recipe. And of course, our black pepper, the ground one. Ground means yung durog. O yan, nakita nyo guys, parang bumilog na yung katawan ng hipon, right? And then we're going to add our chili, the sliced one, the sliced chili. And I forgot to mention earlier that you need to take off the seeds of our chili kasi masyado pong maanghang yan. Ngayon, kung prepare nyo po yung maanghang, you can leave it the seeds over there. Yeah? Pero ako gusto ko kasi mild lang siya. And of course, we are going to add our spring onion as well. Kasi dito na yung hipon natin. So, ganun lang po siya kadali, guys. So, we're done. Yan na po ang ating butter garlic shrimp or prawn. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much for being with me. And if you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and of course, hit the notification bell para po kayo updated sa aking mga